Probiotics are made up of different microorganisms like yeast and bacteria, which are naturally found in the stomach, intestines, and vagina. Certain conditions like antibiotic use or travel can disrupt the normal balance of these microorganisms. Probiotics are used to help with digestion and restore the normal flora in the body. They have been used to treat bowel problems, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. Probiotics can be found in foods like yogurt, milk, and juices, as well as in dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. It's important to check the label for information on the specific uses of the product you're using. Some dietary supplement products may contain harmful impurities or additives, so it's important to consult with your pharmacist for more details about the specific brand you're using. Additionally, it's important to note that the FDA has not reviewed this product for safety or effectiveness. Be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. When taking Microflor 33 billion cell Capsule Antidiarrheal Formulations with gut flora microorganisms, the recommended daily dosage is, insert dosage here. It is best to take this supplement, insert optimal timing here. When taking Microflor 33 billion cell Capsule Antidiarrheal Formulations with gut flora microorganisms, it's important to follow the directions on the product package. Depending on the specific product, the dose may need to be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/spoon. Avoid using a household spoon as it may not provide the correct dose. If you have any questions about how to take the medication, consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that some probiotic products may contain live bacteria, such as bifidobacteria. If you are taking antibiotics, these products may not work effectively. To avoid this, take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. If you are using this product to treat diarrhea caused by antibiotics, do not use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days unless directed by your doctor. In these cases, you may have a serious problem that requires medical treatment. If your condition does not improve or worsens, or if you suspect a serious medical issue, seek medical assistance immediately. If you experience an increase in stomach gas or bloating, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. Serious side effects may include signs of infection such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this product could occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as a rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA, and if you're in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. Before taking Microflor 33 billion cell Capsule Antidiarrheal Formulations with gut flora microorganisms, make sure to inform your healthcare provider if you have any allergies or if you have any of the following health conditions: diarrhea lasting more than 2 days, weakened immune system, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections. If you are diabetic, have phenylketonuria, or need to limit sugar or aspartame in your diet, use caution when taking liquid products, foods, powders, or chewable tablets containing these ingredients. If you are pregnant, only use this product if clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this product. And as always, before having surgery, inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions when taking Microflor 33 billion cell Capsule Antidiarrheal Formulations with gut flora microorganisms. This includes medications like antibiotics and antifungals, such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nystatin. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines while taking this product. Keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your healthcare providers. As for the optimal timing and daily dosage, it's best to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider. If you or someone you know has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, please seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can reach out to your provincial poison control center. It's important to act quickly in these situations to ensure the safety and well-being of the individual. Be sure to attend all scheduled medical and laboratory appointments. Certain brands of this medication may also include additional ingredients like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the ingredients in the brand you are using, be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. If you forget to take a dose, you can take it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost time for your next dose, it's okay to skip the missed dose. Just take your next dose at the regular time. Don't take 2 doses at once to make up for the missed one. When it comes to probiotics, it's important to store them properly. Some may need to be refrigerated, while others should not be. Always check the product package for specific storage instructions. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist for guidance. And, of course, make sure to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of expired or unused probiotics, it's important to do so properly. Instead of flushing them down the toilet or pouring them down the drain, it's best to dispose of them in a safe and responsible manner. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.